Hello, this is Tic-Tac, and today I am doing part 2 of my YouTube C# programming tutorial series. So today we are going to use the functions Console.WriteLine and Console.ReadLine. So let's start off. We can write Console.WriteLine. And in here, in speech marks, we can say hello. Okay. And every line in C# ends with a semicolon. So we can press the start button and we get a window, but then it disappears. So why does that happen? Well, the computer runs the program. It does this line, and then it closes because there's nothing more to do. So to avoid that, we can do Console.ReadLine. And now, when we run it, it says hello. And now when we press the enter key, it will go. Okay, so now we've done this, we can maybe do something more advanced. So let's ask, what's your name? Let's go Console.WriteLine. What's your name? And then here we can see we forgot a semicolon. We hover our mouse over the red line and it says semicolon expected. So it just tells us what we should do. And now, to save what the person wrote in, we need to make a variable. So ours will be a string because they will put in letters. There we go, string, and we can call it name. And we can set it to console.readline. Okay, so we set it to console.readline. So we've got our name, and now we can say something to them, like we can say console.WriteLine, and we can say hello. And remember the space here, and we can add the name on, and we can add an exclamation mark. And now when we save this, save it, and then we press the start button, say hello, what's your name? Well, my name is Tic-Tac. Hello, Tic-Tac, and then we press enter and it goes. So we've learned how to use Console.WriteLine and Console.ReadLine. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.